In this video, we look at Windows Media Player. You can find Windows Media Player in all programs, and it should be located in this menu with all the programs listed, and you find Media Player. Upon first opening Media Player, you should be prompted with where you want to import your music from, but since I've already opened Media Player, I've already went through those steps. It's very straightforward. Media Player is by default your jukebox for Windows. It's the equivalent of iTunes on a Mac, but Media Player is very nice, especially if you have a Zoom player, and of course you have your various music. This is sample music coming from the music folder here. You have some sample music, and basically with Media Player you can watch DVDs if your computer supports DVDs. You can view pictures. As you can see in this library, we can have music, pictures, video. If you saw my last video with Movie Maker, you saw that I did a nice video. We can import that if we wanted to. And we see that in our video, it's already found that video we made in our last video, that sample video we made. And in Media Player, if we wanted to view it, we can go ahead and double click it, and it starts to play. Starts to play nicely, and so forth. Now, let's take a look at some things. Let's first look at the Now Playing. In the Now Playing tab, basically when you have Media Player playing in here, it's going to play the media. If you have music, it's going to show visualizers, and play some music here. You'll see some visuals going on around here. You can change the type of visual you want, so forth, if you prefer. And here, this pane here shows you all the video, music and videos and pictures that is currently going to be playing in your playlist, or so forth. Down here you have your controls, your play, preview, previous, and next, your volume, stop. You can turn on repeat once, your shuffle, and right here shows you artwork, album artwork. This tells you your elapsed time and your time in digital format. Here you can go into full screen mode. Your forward and back buttons. If you right click and go to view, you can go ahead and change some things. You can go ahead and choose the classic view if you want to view the standard menu buttons. But in this new Media Player, you don't really need to have that. But if you do right click and view, you can view all kinds of things, such as your skin changer, skin mode, enhancements. Media Player has a lot of nice enhancements, and by showing them, you can change your equalizer. I like to do rock, so you can change it to the rock equalizer. If you go ahead and click on these back and forth buttons, you can scroll through all the nice options you have: playback speed, quiet mode, and this feature, which I love, the SRS wow effect, which makes the sound of the video or music you're listening to very good. I like to put it on max. It's awesome. It really makes the sound pop out. You have your video changer, change the brightness and color of your video. If we wanted to go ahead and play that video we made in our last video, we can go ahead and change some of the effects if we wanted to. We can also change the color of the media player, the color of the skid, changing how dark or light we want it. This is nice if you want to customize the look and feel of your media player. We should really hit reset on that. Then we can go ahead and crossfade and change audio and so forth. So that's how you can really customize some of the things in media player. If you go to now playing, you have the options to show enhancements, visualizers, plugins, and more. Go to your library. You can see all your playlists, your library. By clicking here, you can create a new playlist, auto playlist, which is like a smart playlist found in iTunes. You can change to view your music, your pictures. You can change to view your video, recorded TV, others. You can add media to library, and so forth. You have all these options. More options allows you to really go more in detail about your media player and how it behaves, and so forth. You can rip CDs. If you have audio CDs, you can go ahead and take the audio from those music CDs and burn it right to your computer so that you don't have to use your CDs whenever you want to listen to them. You can go ahead and format, change the format in which you rip your CDs, whether media, Windows Media Audio, Windows Media Audio Pro, vibrant bit rate, MP3, WAV format. You can change the bit rate and so forth. Change some other options. You can burn audio CDs if you prefer, or you can make data CDs and DVDs and so forth. You have options with that. You can also sync to music playing devices if you prefer. If you have a MP3 player that's compatible with media player, you can go ahead and sync with that. But here's a nice feature, the media guide. If you have internet access, go ahead and click the media guide. Here's your gateway to music, movies, TV shows, news, radio. You can go ahead and listen to radio over the internet if you prefer, and you can download some content here in which to be played in media player. And this is a really nice feature if you want to get content to be played in media player and so forth. So this is basically it for media player. If you want to change into skid mode, this is what it looks like in skid. And you can change the different types of skid you want. So right now I have only 2. You can go ahead and get more skids if you want. And this is what it looks like, and so forth. So it's nice. Media player is great. It's compatible with the Zoom player. It cannot sync with your iPod, however, so don't be trying to do that. But it's good with all other kinds of media players and MP3 players, I should say. It is a great jukebox player. So if you have Windows, go ahead and do that. Play around with this. And this is version 11. You can also download this version for Windows XP if you have an older version of media player. You can go ahead and download this for Windows XP if you prefer. So that's it for this video. We just want to look at media player.